Hair that slays starts with good care. I am not someone who would love to take care my hair all the time, but now I'm trying to start a new routine with rosemary. Yes, you heard it right. So I use rosemary water and gently massage my scalp and try to settle down for one entire night. As you can see, I am trying to use rosemary water. And now you can see the hair after the rosemary water. It's so shiny, it's so smooth, and it looks so stunning. It looks so shiny as well. Just let me know if you like it. Please try it out at home. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.